Hello, I'm Mia. Listen, repeat, and have fun. Let's start.
I'm going to the doctor because I feel sick. My throat hurts and I have a small headache today. I put on warm clothes before leaving my house this morning. The weather is cold and I don't want to get worse. I take my phone, wallet, and medical card with me. The clinic is not far, so I walk there slowly. I see a big white building with a red cross sign. I enter the clinic and smell clean air and medicine. The place looks quiet and bright with comfortable chairs everywhere. I go to the reception desk and give my name politely. I sit in the waiting room and look around calmly. Several people are sitting near me, reading or using phones. A nurse walks by quickly, holding a clipboard in her hands. I hear the sound of soft music from a small speaker. I try to relax and take a few deep breaths. A child is talking quietly to his mother beside the window. I look at a poster about washing hands to stay healthy. I check my phone but decide to put it away again. The nurse calls my name loudly from the hallway outside. I stand up, take my bag, and follow her carefully. The nurse measures my temperature with a small digital thermometer. She checks my blood pressure and writes the numbers in her notebook. She asks me to sit and wait for the doctor inside. The doctor is checking my heart and my breathing carefully. The doctor is writing down information about my symptoms. The nurse asks me to take a deep breath. I am opening my mouth so the doctor can look.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.
The doctor is listening to my chest with a stethoscope. The doctor is writing a prescription for my new medicine. The doctor explains what I should do at home. I must follow all the instructions the doctor gave me. The doctor says I will feel better in a week. The nurse tells me to come back next Monday morning. I'm leaving the clinic and feel more relaxed than before. I need to pay the bill at the reception desk. I thank the doctor for helping me feel much better. I'm putting my medical papers and prescription in my bag. I walk home slowly because I still feel a bit weak. The pharmacist tells me how to use my medicine correctly. I need to take these pills 3 times a day. I should drink water every time I take a pill. I should not eat before taking this specific medicine. I must finish all the tablets, even if I feel better. I'm resting in bed with a cup of warm tea. I am drinking water to stay hydrated during the day. I'm taking my medicine at the correct time every day. I check my temperature before going to sleep every night. I eat healthy food to help my body recover faster. I open the window for some fresh air and light. I take small walks in my room to stay active. I'm watching a movie while relaxing under my warm blanket. I write a note to remember my next doctor's appointment. I'm starting to feel stronger and more comfortable today. My headache is gone and my throat feels much better. I can finally breathe normally without coughing or sneezing. I'm very happy that my fever is completely gone. I have more energy and can walk around the house easily. I am thankful for the doctor's help and good advice. I am learning to take better care of my health. I will continue drinking water and sleeping well every night. I am going to finish all the medicine as instructed. My body feels lighter, and I can eat normally again. I smile because I am feeling healthy and strong again.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.